Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notification.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC,
Making a difference.
Immediate past spokesperson for the Pan-Niger Delta Forum PANDEV, High Chief Anabs Saraigbe, has hailed President Tinubu for appointing a minister to pilot affairs of the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, contrary to speculations that the ministry was about to be scrapped. While speaking to Inside the Niger Delta recently in Port Harcourt, High Chief Saraigbe called on President Tinubu to give the Niger Delta region the attention it deserves in his administration.
Tinubu, if he wants to succeed, it means he wants a stable economy. And if he wants a stable economy, he must marry the Niger Delta. If he did not marry the Niger Delta, there is no way he can get stable economy. We are ready to work with him. We voted for him, we supported him, and so he should support us. He should work with us so that we can together make Nigeria great.
The former spokesperson for PANDEV also called on the president to reappoint the Dr. Samuel Lubuku-led NDDC management team in the event of constituting a new board for the commission.
We had told him in the past to allow the present MD and his team to stay in NDDC. He should give them all the support and let them stop interfering. They had not allowed the board of NDDC to stay. No board of NDDC has stayed beyond 2 years. Whereas the law, statute of NDDC says 4 years.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC,
Making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta.